So in today's video, we're going to talk about the fastest way to cure staph infection. What is the fastest way to cure staph infection? So number one, garlic. Garlic is a very, very, very wonderful antibacterial product. So what you do is you open up the garlic, like three of them, you smash them a little bit, just smash. I didn't say grind, smash them a little bit, just to release the allicin, and then you can swallow with water. Just as if you're taking a pill. Some people have found it very effective. Please do not put garlic in your private area for women. People do it, but I do not advise because it will burn you severely. Another thing people take is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is also very effective, but there's so many bad brands out there. Very, very few pure natural brands. Most of them are very, very synthetic. So just take tea tree oil. They take it morning and evening. You know. Another thing that people take is ephedrine. Yes, ephedrine. You know, you boil the ephedrine in water and then you drink the water. So these are one of the things that people take to tackle staph infection, right? A lot of people have tried antibiotics, they've tried injections, and they are tired and they are frustrated and they don't know what to do. You understand? Now, talking about herbal products. Now, no, before we talk about herbal products, let's talk about boosting your immunity. You should take a lot of vitamin C. Vitamin C is wonderful with boosting immunity. As long as you're somebody that does not have, you don't have ulcer, you don't have gastritis or any other gastrointestinal problem, taking all this something like vitamin C is very, very good for your health. You know, it boosts immunity. So you're having a staph infection, whether it has gotten to the stage where you're having boils or you're having mental problems or you're having joint issues and bone issues, don't worry, vitamin C will boost your immunity. But above all, you need to get a very, very solid herbal product. Now, I know that a lot of fake herbal products out there. Everybody and their neighbor is selling herbs for infection now, and there are very few things. But I would like to show you the Cbiotics. If you are looking for how to cure staphylococcus fast, this is one of the best things I recommend. It's effective, it's tasteless, it's odorless, it doesn't smell at all, and it's very effective. It's small, but it's very, very powerful. So if you want to know more about Cbiotics, you can chat with me, you can talk to me, you can reach out to me. I'll be able to help you. You can also send me your test reports for us to communicate and for us to talk about it, and I'll see how I can help you. Talk to you very soon. Bye. Bye.